For Jdr Cable Systems, successful business is all about recognising the bigger picture. The company manufactures hundreds of kilometres of cable a year for the oil and gas and renewable industries, and its subsea and umbilical cables must support billions of dollars of risk every day.
We've built this company for the last 50 years on very strong values of technology and service to the client. And that's not just words to us, that's our creed, that's our goal, that's our legacy. Not many companies do that, but we actually live it, and we live it every day, because you only get one shot at a major oil company, you only get one shot at a major contract.
For Jdr, winning contracts relies on recognising and preempting trends in the energy industry. Having begun life manufacturing divers' umbilicals, in the late 1990s, Jdr saw the worldwide potential of oil and gas exploration.
We're providing our products to major energy producers worldwide, and they rely on us to provide a quality level that is second to none. Our passion for quality stems from the early days when we were manufacturing divers' umbilicals, and this is when we were acutely aware of human life being dependent upon our work. We now apply that same level of quality and reliability to our subsea production umbilicals and subsea power cables that are used for a 30-year design life.
Successful growth has been all about finding the right locations. The company started inland in Littleport, North Cambridgeshire, but this position restricted the size of cables it could transport. Through research and monitoring industry forecasts, Jdr expanded their operation to Southeast Asia, just as the market there was about to take off.
We stay ahead of the competition by analysing the market trend and then investing quickly. We balance our risks, and that maintains investor confidence, which enables us to move fast and stay ahead of the competition.
The next big move came with the development of a major facility at Hartlepool on the east coast. Its location next to a deep water quay has been planned to serve both the oil and gas industry and the growing renewable sector, and is the perfect location to directly service the multiple offshore wind farms in the region.
We could see the market developing fast for offshore wind energy cables, and that's when we decided to invest in the first phase of Hartlepool. So for the past year we've been producing medium voltage cables, and now we're bringing forward the second phase of investment to produce high voltage cables.
High voltage cables are particularly important for the delivery of large powers over longer distances, particularly important as we move into the larger round 3 wind farms.
Vision and the timing of growth have been critical to Jdr's success. By preempting trends and diversifying into the renewables sector through its development at Hartlepool, the company is spreading its risk and maximising potential opportunities.
We felt that we would change the scope of our business, our scope of our company, to be energy focused as opposed to just oil and gas. So we looked at those opportunities out there and saw that yes, there would be a lot of investment in the offshore wind, and that is a way to hedge some of the supply and demand swings that you see in the normal oil and gas cycle.
For customers, Jdr Cable Systems provides quality. Its innovative approach is also invaluable to pioneering renewable energy projects such as the Wave Hub off the Cornish coast.
What we have behind us is in effect a world first. Nobody has connected a subsea cable in the way that is being proposed by Jdr, and then splitting that out into 4 other cables to allow 4 different types of devices to generate electricity back to shore. So their approach, their novel and innovative way of looking at that problem and providing us with a solution convinced us that Jdr were the right choice in this case.
Jdr's products must operate under extreme pressure and in harsh environments. The company's subsea experience and investment in research and development crucially help its customers engineer technology at an early stage.
It de-risks the project for them. They already know that the technology will work. They already know it's a success from the initial testing that we've commissioned. So that can be a real win-win for both Jdr and the customer. We can develop the product together and fully understand how it's going to operate in service.
Across its business, JDR constantly strives to improve efficiency whilst maintaining outstanding quality.
We've had a continual improvement program running for about the last 3 years, which is really changing the culture and the behaviour throughout the group. The focus of this program is to identify waste and eliminate risk throughout the workflow. And that's not only from the workflow when it reaches the shop floor, it's from the initial bid, the clarifications, and right through to delivery wherever in the world that is.
JDR is currently doubling the capabilities of its Hartlepool factory, allowing it to manufacture high voltage cables for offshore wind farms and giving it a significant competitive advantage. The company's achievements in international trade were recently recognised in the granting of the prestigious Queen's Award for Enterprise, placing the company amongst the most successful in the UK. Its ongoing success lies in the fact that it's ever forward-thinking and values credibility and reliability above all else.
Our belief in JDR's strategy from the beginning has been that we do not want to play in the commodity market. If you look at the cabling industry and umbilical industry, a lot of it is commodity. A lot of our competitors will make miles and miles and miles of these cables and umbilicals, chop them up and sell them as a commodity. We go after the highly dynamic, highly stressed, high pressure, niche markets. We can then focus in on those and build a better product that really no one else can enter.